Blacksheep channel. I'm Blacksheep. Today we're going to talk about the Winchester Ranger, the new 22 auto from Winchester. This thing's kind of an innovative rifle. It is made in Turkey. If you do not know, Winchester's licensed it to be made in Turkey. So it is made overseas even though it says Winchester on it. Has some interesting features. It is a lightweight poly, mostly polycarbonate design as far as the frame goes. This skeletonized buttstock, made for lightweight. The receiver is metal, of course, as is the barrel. The top of the receiver cap, this where the pick rail here, and your peep sight, your rear peep sight, that's polymer. Okay, so there's a lot of polymer in use on this rifle, but it also makes it very lightweight. It does have some innovative features. Let's start at the top. You got a fixed blade front. You have a peep sight in the rear that is adjustable for both windage and elevation. And then you got a pick rail up front here. The magazine, it has some innovative features. It's a 10-round rotary magazine just like a Ruger 1022. As a matter of fact, it also will accept Ruger 1022 mags. So I got a regular BX1 here from Ruger, and it will accept those mags. Also, it'll accept the big mags from Ruger. Anything a 1022 will accept. When you use the Winchester magazine that it's supplied with, the 10-round mag, it has a last round bolt hold open feature. When you use the Ruger mags, it will not have that feature. It does not have the bolt hold open feature. When the bolt is held open, there's a number of different ways to close the bolt. You can pull back on it, or you can hit the bolt release on this side, push that, and release the bolt. In addition to all that, you've got a little hidden pick rail up front here. There's a piece of plastic. It's kind of goofy, but you kind of pull off the piece of plastic, and right there you have a small pick rail, and you have a front loop for a sling attachment, as well as a sling attachment point here in the back. So as far as standard features go, for a $249 MSRP 22, it's got a lot of features going for it. Now, I don't know if you noticed here, but there's two different ways to release the mag. See these red grippy things here on the side? If you grab that and pull that rearward, it'll pop out the mag. The mag will fly out of there. Okay? Put it back in there. The other way to release the mag, there's a red tab up front here, similar to a Ruger 1022. Pull that tab to the rear. Notice it didn't fly out. Okay? That way, there's a little ledge here in the rear. Put your finger there, and you can pull the magazine out like that. Okay? So, if you want it flying out, hit the mag releases on the side, pull them back, and she'll drop free. If you don't want her dropping free, use this mag release here, and use your finger. Now, the easy disassembly goes like this. There's a red button right back here. You want to hold that red button in. I'm using my finger while I pull the trigger assembly down and away, like so. Okay? Now you got the whole trigger assembly out. You got the bolt on top here for easy access and cleaning. Let me set that on the table for a second. On the gun side, straight through here, you got the bore. So you can clean this thing the way you should clean a rifle, any good rifle, from the bore out towards this way. If you're cleaning with a cleaning rod coming in this way, you're jamming all the dirt and gunk back into the receiver, first of all. And then there's a chance that you could damage the crown, what's called the crown of the rifle. If you look right on there, peekaboo, right up here, if you damage the crown, that can affect your accuracy. So the best way to clean a rifle is from the breech. So this way you can take a cleaning rod, shove it straight through, all the gunk goes out the barrel, and you don't have a chance to damage your crown. So that's an innovative feature for this rifle. Putting her back in is a little tricky. Just be careful of the bolt lever here when you're lining her back up. She'll kind of go back off. Oops, let's get her in the right way. You kind of go back off to one side as you're lining her up, and everything lined up. And then push this back. Make sure that red button clears, and she clicks back in like so. Put in her magazine. See, I didn't even take the magazine out. And bolt release. There we go. Anyway, the Winchester Ranger, or the Winchester Wildcat. I keep wanting to call him the Ranger. They should have called it the Ranger now. The Winchester Wildcat 22 LR comes with a 10-round magazine and everything you see here in a nice cardboard box. Not much else to it. But it's got some nice features for a $250 rifle. Is it worthy of competing with the Ruger 10/22? We shall find out. As soon as we get her to the range and we put some rounds down range and see how she shoots, we'll bring you guys along for that one. Now, in keeping with the theme here lately on the channel, making you watch to the end of the video, trying to get you to watch the end of the trying to get you to watch to the end of the video. What I announce at the end of all my videos now is what the next video is going to be about. And next video, we're going to cover the Pitbull Tactical Universal Mag Carrier. Okay? These guys have made a carrier that accepts all kinds of magazines. Right now I've got my Taurus G2C in here. Okay? As a backup magazine. But any of my auto pistols that I would carry, it'll fit that magazine. So it's a universal mag carrier. I've been carrying this thing for a good month now, putting it through its paces. So next time I'm going to give you the full review on the Pitbull Tactical Universal Mag Carrier. I appreciate you guys watching my channel. If you haven't noticed, you watched this whole video and there were no mid-roll ads coming through here. That's a couple of reasons. I'm a small channel and I don't have the ads rolling yet. But I'm growing quickly, okay? We're heading towards that threshold where I could add ads. Not gonna. I've been watching a lot of my favorite YouTubers and some of those mid-roll ads they're throwing in there, and the YouTubers can't turn it off. They don't have a choice about those mid-roll ads, okay? Those creators. Me being small, no ads at all, so there's no mid-roll ads. I'm going to kind of use that to my advantage and leave it that way. So even when I hit the threshold, when I can turn ads on and start making the YouTube money, we're going to leave them off for a while. So enjoy the commercial-free. If you like to hang out for commercial-free videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, give me a thumbs up, help me out with the algorithm. And let's talk in the comment section, civilly, let's talk in the comment section, no trolls allowed. And let's have some fun with this channel. I will see you next time on the Blacksheep channel. Thanks for joining me. Welcome back to the Blacksheep channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Winchester. The fuck is this thing called?